Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Cryptoaxe. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about some of the points on crypto mining, how to start crypto mining and what will be the devices required as discussed in the last video. So make sure to watch this video till end and you will also learn a lot of things from this video.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Trading is involves risk. So before everything you do, analyze your financials and then decide. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances.
As we discussed, Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are entered into circulation. But what are the needs, what are the devices requirement that we are going to learn in this video. You will need a modern multi-core CPU with 4 to 8 GB of RAM as you can see on the screen. You don't have to overclock the CPU just to bring out more performance by compromising stability. The basic Intel CPUs such as Celeron or Pentium will sufficient. People often purchase AMD or GPUs for mining individuals. By mining, you can earn cryptocurrencies without having to put down your money into it. Mining rewards are paid to the miners who discover a solution to a complex hashing puzzle, and the probability that a participant will be the one discover solution is related to the portion of the network of total mining power. In beginning, you might find it difficult in starting, but afterwards, after having a good knowledge of the setup, it will be very easy for you guys. And a minimum setup that will cost you to start crypto mining will be somewhere around $5,000 to $10,000, which can eventually generate 5 to 10% ROI in a month, including your Wi-Fi and electricity. Hope you might have learned a lot from this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel, like the video, and also join our Telegram channel where we post most of our updates regarding the market and crypto signals as well. Meet you soon in the next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye.